is equal to 62, find the value of x plus 1 upon x. This is the first part. B part is if x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 79, find the value of x plus 1 upon x. Now, if you look at question number 13 and you look at question number 14, so here the value of x square plus 1 upon x square is given and we have to find the value of x minus 1 upon x. And again x square plus 1 upon x square is given and find the value of x minus 1 upon x. Now in both these questions, question number 13 and question number 14, we understand that the expansion which will be used would be this. X plus 1 upon x whole square. So x plus 1 upon x whole square is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2. Why? Because x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2 multiplied by x multiplied by 1 by x. So this x and this 1 by x cancels and therefore we are left with 2. And this is also written as x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to x plus 1 upon x whole square minus 2. So in this question, basically, when they are asking us a value, they have given the value of x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 62, and they are asking the value of x plus 1 upon x, we understand that, this is the expansion. This is the expansion that we will be using. This is the expansion that we will be using. And in what form we'll be using, let's see that. So question number 13, A part. So we are given the value of x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 62. So what I do is I add 2 on both sides. Why do I add 2 on both sides? Because if I add 2 on the left hand side, the left hand side becomes the expansion of x plus 1 upon x whole square. So if x plus 1 upon x whole square is equal to 64, then I understand that the value of x plus 1 upon x would be equal to plus minus 8. Similarly for the B part, if x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 79, again what you need to do is you need to add 2 on both sides. Remember that you need to add 2 on both sides. If in a LHS and RHS, if 2 is or any other number is added on both sides, it balances the equation. It doesn't disturb the equation. So it is absolutely okay. So this left hand side becomes x plus 1 upon x whole square, and 79 plus 2 would be equal to 81. Therefore, x plus 1 upon x would be equal to plus minus 9. So this is the 13th question. And let's look at the 14th question. If x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 102, find the value of x minus 1 upon x. If x square is 38, find the value of x minus 1 upon x. So if you look at the question, you will get an idea that what kind of expansion would we be using. Will we be using x plus 1 upon x whole square, or will we be using x minus 1 upon x whole square? Just look at the question closely and you will get the hint in the question itself. So let's look at the solution of question number 14. So question number 14, x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 102. I subtract 2 from both sides. Why do I subtract 2 on both sides? You will understand just in a minute. See, this becomes an expansion of x minus 1 upon x whole square. This is an expansion of x minus 1 upon x whole square. And this would be equal to 100. Therefore, x minus 1 upon x would be equal to plus minus 10. Now see, I have the value. So x minus 1 upon x whole square would be equal to plus minus 10. Now x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 38. X square minus 1 upon x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 38. So if I subtract 2 from both sides, this is the B part. This was the A part. So in B part, I'm given the value of x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 38. I subtract 2 from both sides, so this is equal to 36. So x minus 1 upon x whole square, because this is the expansion of x minus 1 upon x whole square, would be equal to 36. And x minus 1 upon x would be equal to plus minus 6, and that is what is required in the question. So in question number 14, if you look, x square plus 1 upon x square 102, x minus 1 upon x, this is the part A, and x square plus 1 at 38, find the value of x, so this is the part B. So this is how these kind of questions are done. Now let's look at the question number 15. 9x square plus y square is equal to 397, xy is equal to 38, find the value of 3x plus y. Now, as has been discussed before, whenever you see these kind of questions, the hint is already given in the question. We will be actually be using the expansion of this 3x plus y whole square is equal to 9x square plus y square plus twice of 3x into y. So this would be 9x square plus y square plus 6xy. Now look closely. They are asking you the value of 3x plus y. They have given you the value of 9x square plus y square, which will be equal to this. They have given you the value of xy. You will put it here. You will get the value of 3x plus y whole square. Then you will find the value of 3x plus y, which will be equal to plus minus. So let's look at the solution of question number 15. So 9x square plus y square is equal to 397, xy is equal to 38, 3x plus y whole square is equal to 625, and therefore 3x plus y would be equal to plus minus 25. So this is the solution for the question. So I hope this was useful, and thanks for watching.